Okay, my dear students. So last class I was discussing about the Elegum diagram. Elegum, he is a great scientist about the each and every metals used up only 1 mole of oxygen. When metals are used up 1 mole of oxygen to form a metal oxide. You know delta G naught versus that is temperature. So delta G naught versus temperature. That is the main thing. Each and every metals also consumed used up 1 volume of oxygen to form different metal oxides. So different elements consume only 1 volume of oxygen. Different metals ಒಂದೇ volume of gases, volume ಅಂದ್ರೆ mole of the oxygen to form a different metal oxides. Different metal oxide delta G naught versus temperature. So some of the plot of the graph, its sudden changes because of due to the boiling point and melting point. So abrupt change in the plot of the graph, plot of the graph, it is sudden changes because of boiling point and melting point. ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ question? In the Elegum diagram, the aluminum oxide, you know bauxite, can reduce by magnesium or magnesium reduced by aluminum. Give reasons. That is the main point. How to write the examination? So first thing, so aluminum and magnesium. First you have to write like this and draw the diagram. So magnesium can reduce by the aluminum. So how to write the aluminum and the magnesium? Cross almost all 135 degrees Celsius. Cross almost all magnesium and aluminum cross almost all 1350 centigrade or 1623 Kelvin. Cross almost all cross. So magnesium and aluminum cross, or cross means point, that is should be A. Cross that 1623 Kelvin. The delta G naught net value is 0. That is the important thing. Delta G naught value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ 1623 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ದ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ G naught ನೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So then in the plot of the Elegum diagram, below this temperature 1623, below this temperature, the magnesium can reduces aluminum. Below temperature ಇದ್ದಾಗ magnesium reduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ aluminum ನ. Suppose above this temperature, below this temperature, magnesium can reduce the aluminum. Above the temperature, aluminum can reduce magnesium. Aluminum can reduce the magnesium. This is the below the temperature. This concept is it. This question carries 3 marks. So how to write? You draw the plot of the diagram, Elegum diagram. So aluminum and magnesium cross almost all 1623 Kelvin. the delta G naught net value is 0. Net value is 0. Okay, cross almost all. What? 1623 Kelvin. The delta G naught value is 0. Net delta G naught andre delta G naught andre standard value of delta G naught. Net value 0. So 1623 below the Kelvin, magnesium can reduce the aluminium. Above this temperature, so aluminium can reduce the magnesium. You will get 3 marks. You will get 3 marks. This is the important concept about the diagram. So this is the very important concept, my dear student. So here the extraction of this concept, it is extraction of zinc oxide to zinc. Extraction of zinc oxide to form zinc. So you draw this type of plot of the diagram. How can zinc oxide can reduce the zinc? Or extraction of zinc oxide. So draw this diagram. You know, obviously, you know zinc 2Zn. You can Zn plus oxygen. Zinc, it can consume 1 mole of oxygen. It is a 2. It makes balance because oxygen is minus 2 valency. Zinc is plus 2 oxidation state. 2 gives rise to 2 zinc oxide. So it is not balanced here. You can make it balanced. So 2 zinc oxide. So, you know, carbon monoxide always slopes move downwards or negative. Why? Because when 2 carbon, it used up 1 mole of oxygen to give rise to 2 carbon monoxide. It is negative slopes to move downwards. So, enthalpy changes. Temperature increases. So you know you should be straight line in carbon dioxide. So carbon, 1 volume of carbon, it is used up 1 mole of oxygen to gives rise to carbon dioxide. You know, C gives rise to CO2 and C gives rise to CO. It is there. C gives rise to CO2. C gives rise to carbon monoxide. So, the extraction of zinc oxide from zinc. So, here what is the main important concept here? So, zinc almost all, zinc abruptly changes. Almost all top. It is almost all top the line. Top the line. So, zinc oxide to make it unstable. Now, here is the diagram. ಮ್ಯಾಗಿರವೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ಕೆಳಗಿರವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ಕೆಳಗಿರವೆಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು, ಮ್ಯಾಗಿರವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಡವರು, ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ plot of the curve, it almost on top in the Iridium diagram because positive, 0 cross means positive. 0 cross means that it is a positive, it is unstable. So zinc oxide abruptly changes at 1673 Kelvin. 1673 Kelvin. 1673 Kelvin, almost all here. So here, that is the important thing about concept. So here, zinc oxide abruptly changes because of due to the boiling point and melting point. Delta G naught value changes. Temperature also increases. Andre temperature increase adangella, so boiling point, melting point also increases. Obviously, isn't it? It is unstable. So here the coke can be reduces the zinc oxide. Coke can be reduces the zinc oxide. That is the important thing. Sir, you are telling carbon, again you are taking coke. Yes, coke is nothing but carbon. Coke reduces the zinc oxide because coke reduces at high temperature. Carbon monoxide reduces at low temperature. Remember it. This is a very important note. Coke reduces at high temperature. Carbon monoxide reduces at low temperature. Coke ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ reduce ಆಗೋದು high temperature. Carbon monoxide reduces ಆಗೋದು low temperature. This is about the plot of the graph. The extraction of zinc oxide from zinc. You draw the plot of the diagram. They given zinc. Usually the extraction of zinc oxide from zinc. Okay, you take zinc. It used up 1 mole of oxygen to form zinc oxide. It is abruptly changed. You remember abruptly changed at 1673 Kelvin. So usually in the Elegum diagram, carbon dioxide should be straight line. Entropy is negligible. Enthalpy changes. Entropy andre randomness negligible. Randomness illa, it should be straight line. Because yake 1 volume of carbon, it reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to give carbon dioxide. That's it. Whenever you are taking 2 volume of carbon, it reacts with or consumed or used up 1 mole of volume of oxygen to give rise to carbon monoxide. It is a negative slope because it is entropy. Nothing but it changes depend upon the temperature. And delta G naught value also increases. So obviously increases delta G naught value. So goes on decreases. But here carbon monoxide enthalpy increases. Delta G naught value increases. Temperature here somewhat decreases. Because this is carbon monoxide. This is a negative slope. So here enthalpy increases, entropy in the sense temperature decreases. So this zinc, it is abruptly changes at what? 1673 Kelvin. So temperature goes on increases when zinc oxide line almost all at the top. So it is unstable. ಯಾವುದು ಜೀರೋ ಟಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಗಮ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದಿ ಎಲಿಗಮ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಿರವೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸಮ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸಡನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್, ಇದು ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿ extraction of cast iron or pig iron. This is a very important question. 3 marks question, my dear student. 3 marks. It's a very important question. Important question. Do you know you learnt in 10th standard blast furnace? You know blast furnace. So in this blast furnace we are taking only hematite and magnetite ore. Here ore plus limestone plus coke. We are adding 8:4:1 ಪಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This is coal. This is blast furnace. ಈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 1070 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, 10 ಆತ 2 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ 1270 ಕೆ 3 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ 1570 ಕೆ 5 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ 2170 ಕೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 10 2 ಸೇರಿಸಿ 12 3 ಸೇರಿಸಿ 15 5 ಸೇರಿಸಿ 21. That's it. It is a very important concept. So here So these are the variation of the temperature. So we are taking the iron Fe2O3 hematite. Fe2O3, it is a hematite. So you know what low temperature reduces carbon monoxide, high temperature reduces the coke. Okay, here hematite ore is taken. You can balance hematite to magnetite. Fe3O4 plus carbon dioxide. Fe3O4. What Fe3? 2. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. 3 3 is a 9. 4 2 is a 8. 9 10 आता. What is this concept? What is the process here? So 3 3 is a 9 10. 4 2 is a 8. 9 10. That's it. Again Fe3O4 we are taking and carbon dioxide gives rise to 3FeO plus carbon dioxide. So 4 5 3 4 5. That's it. This is the very important concept that is called as reduction zone. This is called as reduction zone. Reduction zone. So this is called as, I am writing here, reduction zone. Reduction zone. ಈ reduction zones ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? That is the very important concept. So 875 Kelvin. So sometime 875 Kelvin. In this process. Next, you know, calcium carbonate gives rise to CaO plus carbon dioxide. CaO plus carbon dioxide. CO2. This is called as limestone. This is called as limestone. This is called as limestone. So when calcium oxide plus somewhat silicon dioxide is there, it gives rise to calcium SiO3. CaSiO3. CaSiO3. Calcium silicate ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next FeO plus carbon monoxide to gives rise to what? You know, Fe plus carbon dioxide. Fe plus carbon dioxide, FeO plus carbon monoxide. So for example, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. Their process is producing here coke. Next, that is coke, it reacts with oxygen to gives rise to carbon dioxide. Next you will get FeO, coke, gives rise to Q, Fe plus CO. This is the very important concept, my dear students. This is called as blast furnace. You will get 3 marks. So how can ask the question? Explain the extraction of cast iron or pig iron, or explain blast furnace. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋದು important. Write the reaction involved in the blast furnace. Write the reaction it involves the blast furnace. Only reaction involves, you will get the 3 marks. The main important, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 steps. This is a low temperature. This is combustion zone. This is called as combustion zone. So here in the blast furnace, you have to draw the diagram. I told you 10, 70, 70, 70, 70 put it. 10, 2 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12, 12 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15, 15 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5, 5 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 21. That's it. This is cone. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಓರ್, ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ and coke. So limestone ಏನು? It acts as flux. Coke ಏನು? It uses fuel. Benki. Limestone it acts as a flux. Limestone acts as a flux. What is mean by flux? Flux ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Flux is a substance to removal of the gong to form of the slag. So slag, calcium silicate, slag. What is flux ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ? Flux is a chemical substances to remove the gauge. Gauge means unwanted particle. To form the slag. is called as a flux. Is called as flux. Okay, how to write? You draw the diagram. And you have to write ore, limestone and coke. Ore, hematite ore. Limestone, it acts as flux. Coke, it acts as fuel. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ 8:4:1 ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ 8:4:1 8 ಏನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 8 kg ಓರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 4 kg ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ 1% ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕೋಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಟು ದಿ ಕೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಮಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ if it was then so ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ so low temperature ನಲ್ಲಿ carbon monoxide is reducing acid in lower temperature high temperature ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು coke reduces at high temperature remember coke reduces at high temperature carbon monoxide reduces at low temperature so here we are taking hematite Fe2O3 hematite convert into magnetite that is Fe3O4 hematite formed by Fe2O3 magnetite Fe3O4 isn't it so that is the important concept no so when iron ore carbon monoxide is reduced at low temperature to get magnetite so 3 to the 6 2 3 the 6 3 3 the 9 oxygen 1 10 4 to the 8 8 plus 2 10 that's it carbon monoxide is expelling out next same thing we are taking same thing magnetite again reduces carbon monoxide to give 3 FuO so 4 oxygen atoms 1 5 3 4 5 that's it you will get 1 mark these two reactions you write 1 mark when calcium carbonate limestone it acts as plus flux calcium carbonate dissociated calcium oxide on kalvi CO2 kalvi so again calcium oxide when silicate you know flux already removed the silicate to give say to calcium silicate it acts as slag when coke ಮತ್ತೆ coke ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ oxygen used up to form a carbon dioxide and again finally FeO taken here FeO taken the coke is reduced at high temperature this is a mention in high temperature to give will get iron finally the molten slags it is separate out from the base of the furnace and molten slag and also molten iron it is solid based it is passed through the basement of the blast furnace this is 2 rollers to remove the pure iron you know pure iron is wrought iron WROUGHT wrought iron is the purest form of iron it is a malleable and ductility so in this blast furnace to separate the scrap metal ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ scrap waste ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು scrap metals ಅಂತ the scrap metals are used in the construction of buildings now it is not a pure iron it is a one type of scrap wastage of iron we are making the pillar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬುನಾದಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಐರನ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ that is the very important concept of the blast furnace explain write the in ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ write the reaction involves blast furnace or write the reaction extraction of cast iron or pig iron we will get 3 marks 1 marks ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ 1 marks ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಅರ್ಧ marks ಇದು ಅರ್ಧ marks temperature you will get easily 3 marks this is the very important concept basic thing of the blast furnace You draw the diagram. So different in this different zone, okay, that is a reduction zone. This is combustion zone. This is a melting zone. This is the important reaction involved in the blast furnace, my dear students. So here the main important things I discussed in this part. First, you have to write a reduction zone. This is slag. This is slag, no? It is a slag formation. This is combustion zone. This temperature 875 Kelvin beridi. This 1270 Kelvin. 1270 Kelvin in a slag formation zone. ಇಲ್ಲಿ combustion zone ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಾ 2200 Kelvin ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So there are three zones. One is the reduction zone. This is the slag zone. This is combustion zone. So in this cast iron, which contain impure iron, pig iron, which contain impurities 4% of carbon. Iron mode ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? So pig iron or cast iron which contain 4% of carbon impurities such as sulfur, silicon, phosphorus and manganese. ಮತ್ತೆ pig iron ಒಳಗೆ 4% carbon impurities such as sulfur ಇರುತ್ತೆ, silicons ಇರುತ್ತೆ, phosphorus ಇರುತ್ತೆ and manganese ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So impurities. These are impurities. Again it is a furnace. Again ಮತ್ತೆ furnace lined with hematite. To separate the impurities like sulfur, silicon, phosphorus and manganese, my dear student. Then we will compound Fe2O3 plus 3 coke. 3 coke gives rise to 2Fe plus 3Ca or 3CO ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. 3CO. Now we are taking CO. This is it. The main important thing, cast iron which contain impurities like sulfur, silicon, phosphorus and manganese. But 4% of carbon present in the pig iron. It is also impurities. Such as ಇವೆಲ್ಲ impurities ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ನೆಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಫರ್ನೆಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಮಟೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಮಟೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Fe2O3. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2Fe ತೆಗೆದಿವಿ. 2Fe Fe2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2Fe ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3C ಐತಿ O3 ಐತಿ 3. So this is about the process. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಮಟೈಟ್ ಓರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ only hematite ore or magnetite ore. ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಐರನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ is a chemical substance to remove the gauge in the form of slag. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು slag zone ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಂಬಷನ್ ಜೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೋನ್. ಕಂಬಷನ್ ಜೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2200 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಒಳಗೆ coke can reduce the iron oxide to get iron. When ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ is expelling out. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ in upper side ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತತಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is exhaust. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ it is waste gas like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? one of the exhaust waste gases top of the besides the blast furnace. This is a very important concept. Write the reaction involved in the blast furnace. Okay, limestone ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It acts as a flux. coke ಏನೋ it acts as a fuel. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ? 8:4:1. This is a neat concept. How much percentage coke, limestone and ore added in the blast furnace. They will give 8:4:1. They are given 4:1:8 or 1:8:4. None of these. They are asking a neat question, neat concept. And sometimes JEE concept also they ask 2 times. This question asked 2 times. So this is the important things. Here main thing is carbon monoxide reduces at low temperature. Carbon monoxide reduces at low temperature. Coke reduces at high temperature. This is a very important concept. Coke matra reduce agadalli combustion zone. Combustion zone andre hottest zone. Combustion zone ಅಂದ್ರೆ hottest zone ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ coke can reduces. This is the very important about the blast furnace. Explain the extraction of cast iron or pig iron or write the reaction involves in the blast furnace. But the theory ನಮ್ಮ syllabus ಇಲ್ಲ. Only reactions. Okay, write the reaction involves in the blast furnace. Okay, my dear student, we have to practice this reaction. You can write, you will get 4 marks, sometimes 4 marks, sometimes 3 marks. This is the important concept. Let us continue next class.